to Me Tuesday. I'm Jules, and this is my project room. And behind me, just like I promised last week, you are seeing some stuff that's at least kind of done. Right here is the Bird Watcher Block of the Month from Wonderfil. This is the July 1st block that just came out yesterday, and it is supposed to be a parrot, and I'm not sure what I think it looks like, but it pieced together pretty easily, so that was cool. I would say it kind of looks more like a parakeet, but I don't know. Anyway, it's bright, it's colorful, it's grunge, and I love it. So this is the 5th block because it started in March, and there is going to be a couple of months where they release 2 birds at once. So we should be caught up by the end of summer. I would say going into September, I think we'll be caught up because this whole block of the month is supposed to end in December. So this is my parrot, and I wanted to make sure I got it done before I filmed today because I need to take it to the shop and make kits. In addition to that, this past weekend on Sunday was the monthly Scrappy Sewcial that I host, where I use my Wheel of Destiny, color Wheel of Destiny, and spin it to tell me what color I'm going to be using for whatever project I'm working on. I decided to go back to what I had worked on for a couple of months earlier this year, and that was Scrappy 9.5-inch unfinished blocks that are improv blocks, and I spin the wheel to tell me which color I'm going to do for the block, and the entire block is in that color family. So these are the 4 that I got done this past weekend, and I really, really love them a lot. I'll take a close-up photo and I will put that at the end of the video, along with a close-up of my latest bird. And that's it for me, y'all. In order to get that up there, I had to take the 4 patches off and the square and a square off the wall. So that's the perfect time for me to get a border put on that. So hopefully I will be showing you next Tuesday that quilt top ready to quilt. That's it for me. I'm a little behind with videos, but it shouldn't take me too long to catch up. I haven't started yet on the latest Talk to Me Tuesday Block of the Month blocks that just came out yesterday. Probably this weekend, maybe next week. We shall see. I should find myself with a little more time to get those things done. In the meantime, I hope y'all are finding time to be crafty, and I hope you are well, and I will see you next week. Bye!